What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing beef ribs today. We gonna get them in that smoker with a nice rub on them, and it's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So of course, like on any rib, you want to remove that membrane. That way your seasoning and everything can get more penetrated into the meat. And me myself, I don't like the chewiness of the membrane. So yeah, once we get that membrane removed, we're gonna go ahead and trim them up a little bit. He got a little extra fat that I don't want on here. And hey, check yours when you do yours and make sure you have all the little fat that you don't want off. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and rain on them with our rub. Now this is my rub. We might as well call it Stelly's rub. And if you want to know how to make a basic rub, leave a comment down below, and we can put a rub together, and then you can make it your own. After that, all you need is that starter on how to do it, and you'll be good. Now of course, after we get our rub on our rib, we want to rub that rub in. I kind of pat and rub mine in. And then we gonna get them into a 225 degree smoker. And we gonna let that go and do its thing. Now after about an hour or two, go ahead and check your temp. Now what we're looking for here is around 120 degrees, and we're not done cooking, of course, y'all. We're just gonna wrap these bad boys in some aluminum foil. Now I really prefer butcher's paper for this, but hey, I ain't have none of that. All I had was some aluminum foil, y'all. But next time, I won't have that butcher's paper. Now after we got it wrapped really well, make sure you have no holes in there, because I had a couple of holes, so I had to do extra layer aluminum foil on there. We're gonna get them back in that smoker, y'all. And oh yeah, after about another 30 to another 45 minutes, they was done, y'all. It was done. Now me, I'm looking for an internal temperature of 185. Look at that, almost lost them. So yeah, after about, I would say at least 30 minutes of rest time, because this aluminum foil gonna be hot. And you want to let your meat rest too. We're gonna unwrap our present. And look what we got, y'all. Look what we got. Oh my goodness. Let's cut one of these ribs off. And oh yeah, y'all, look at what we got. That's a nice meaty beef rib. Look at it, so tender and juicy. You see that juice, y'all? You see that juice? Let's get a taste of this. And oh yeah, look at that, just so tasty. Oh my goodness. And look how that pulled right off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.